Hi guys, welcome back to Destination Motorhomes. I'm Mia and today I would love to show you around this WildAx Altair RS and what a lovely van it is. I cannot wait to show you guys. This is the perfect couples van. It sleeps 2 people and it travels 2 people. It is also 3,500 kg, meaning you can drive it on a standard driving license. Now, this vehicle does have a length of 6.84 metres and a width of 2.04 metres. So it is a relatively long van, however you will see why in a minute. As it is called the RS, meaning rear singles, you get the 2 huge spacious rear single beds in the back. But like I said, we will go into detail in that in a minute. So let's go take a look around at what we have on the outside of this van. So starting off strong, it is on the MAN chassis, which is the commercial arm of VW. Along here we have the lovely alloy wheels. We have the flue for your heating and your cassette toilet. Now I have opened the back doors of this van just so you can see how spacious it is and the garage space that the fixed rear single beds open up. So as you can see, you get this huge space below 2 rear singles and you can access it within the van just through there, and I mean just look at that. So these also can be turned into a huge double bed, but I will show you more of that in a second. So you also have your reversing camera and your reversing sensors, and also prep for a tow bar. So going around here, we have your full length awning, your electric hookup point, and then going in here, as you can see how amazing this van looks. I mean, the LED lighting just looks fantastic throughout this van. Now you do have a table here, and this can be easily removed, but this is just great. Say if you're having dinner or breakfast, anything like that. But I mean, you've seen how much space you get under the rear bed, so you can just place that under there and it is out the way. So what do we have in the cab? It is a 8-speed automatic gearbox. You have cab air conditioning, cruise control, and then on here you have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And also we have a 12-volt down here and then some handy cup holders either side for those large cups of coffee. Now over here we've got your USBs and 2 30 volts, and again, like I said, this is just such a nice area to sit back and relax. But also this settee is in the perfect area. So say if you're parked up and you've got a nice view outside the beach or anything like that, you can sit here and relax and enjoy the view. Up here we have your information of, well, just on this screen here, you get all the information for your solar, and then this one is all about the tank. We have the switches for your lights and your 12-volt control panel. Then that leads you on into this lovely kitchen with your 2 induction ring hobs just there. We have your sink and tap, plenty more 230 volts and lovely graphics throughout. We have your microwave up here and then your lovely 150 litre fridge freezer. We also have your fly screen just here, and then opposite we have plenty more storage. We have a wardrobe in here and then another one just below. Now here we have your bathroom, the huge mirror, your cassette toilet, your sink and tap, and then some more storage just there. And I mean, that is a great size bathroom for a van conversion. It is perfect size. Now, probably one of the best parts about this van is these 2 long single beds. So this one here is 6 foot 1 inches and this one is 6.4 inches. So they are absolutely huge, and you can make this into a huge double, like I said earlier. You have more storage, and again, this LED lighting, it is just fantastic. We have windows, so it's nice, light and airy in the daytime, and again, more storage on this side. And I mean, look how much cupboard space this van has to offer. And again, easy, just with a button, and then they come straight out. And like I said, you can access the garage through here. So yeah, this was the WildAx Altair RS, and what a fantastic van this is. So if you would like any more information about this vehicle, visit our website at destinationmotorhomes.co.uk. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!